Be 2 weeks ready. Waste and Hygiene Plan, Activity 21. Follow along on Toolkit, page 77.
Activity number 21. Make an emergency washing machine. Even during non-emergency times, an emergency washing machine can save water, which can be especially helpful during periods of drought. This method involves a bit more expense and effort in preparation than a simple bucket or galvanized tub and washboard option. Step 1. Gather your materials. 2 5-gallon buckets, 1 Gamma Seal lid, 1 rubber mallet, a drill with a 2-inch bit, a mobile washer device, a clothesline with pins or a collapsible drying rack. Understanding your materials. A mobile washer device is a blue-colored device that resembles a plunger and can have either a T handle or a straight handle. The pushing and pulling agitation pulls dirt and excess detergent from clothing. This helps use less water, less detergent, and no electricity. These can be found online or in big box and hardware stores. Gamma Seal lids are plastic lids built for 12-inch buckets, which include most standard size 3.5, 5, 6, and 7-gallon buckets. The Gamma lids have an outer ring that seals onto the bucket and an inner lid that screws into the outer ring. A rubber mallet, not a hammer, is necessary to get the bottom part of the Gamma Seal lid to affix to the bucket. You need a solid rubber head to deliver a softened, positive strike and help absorb vibrations without damaging the plastic. A hammer will destroy the integrity of your seal. Step 2. Drill a hole in the top of the Gamma lid using a 2-inch drill bit. Step 3. Drill 4 holes in the bottom of the top bucket using a 1-inch drill bit as shown. You'll now have a wash bucket on top with holes in it and a rinse bucket on the bottom. Step 4. Use the rubber mallet to attach the Gamma Seal lid to the top bucket, the one that has 4 holes in the bottom. Step 5. Slip the top bucket inside the bottom bucket and insert the plunger. After you slip the bucket with the Gamma Seal lid into the bottom bucket, insert your plunger device, shown in Step 1, and affix the Gamma lid. You will only need about 4 inches of water in the bottom of the bucket to make this effective. Step 6. Rinse clothing in another bucket that uses minimal water. Try to wring out as much excess water as possible and shake it out to remove wrinkles. Step 7. Air dry your clothing. If you have trees, a fence, or posts already situated outside, tying a clothesline is a great option for air drying clothing. You can also use a collapsible drying rack.